Hello there from Jember. That's right. I am back. Came down here about a week ago. I wanted to come down here and experience Merdeka Day, Independence Day, here in the village. And so I left Bali. I've been there for about 2 or 3 weeks. And I came down here. I've been here for about a week now, and it's been great. I can't wait to share those videos with you. Before I came back to Bali, I also went to Malaysia, which, surprise, spoilers, you'll see a little bit of that in this video. I went to Malaysia for about a week because my visa was running up here in Indonesia, and so I had to, well, I could have extended it here, but I thought, hey, let's just make a trip out of it. Let's go somewhere else for a little while. So I went to Kuala Lumpur for, I think, 6 days, and I'm already back. And so after I came back, I was just in Bali for a while hanging out, and decided to come here for New Year's. And so hopefully I can get through this. Hopefully that's not too loud. What I want to do in this video, though, is explain a little bit about the YouTube membership program. I started the YouTube membership program a couple months ago. Right now, let me go inside. So right now I have like 65 members on my channel. And what I've been doing for those members is I'll post pictures, or I'll make like an update video, you know, maybe once a week or so, just to let them know where I'm at and what I'm doing. And so I think they've really enjoyed it so far. It's, you know, with the YouTube membership program, it's just, you know, it's just a way that I can connect more with my members, and we can have, I guess, a closer relationship, or whatever you want to call it. This is kind of a one-man show. I do all the filming, obviously, and all the editing and everything by myself, and that's kind of why it takes a while to get these videos up. You know, I can't sit at a computer all day and edit and be out making videos. And, you know, especially if I want to make 20, 30, 40-minute long videos. It's not how it works. And so, unfortunately, I can't do a video a day. But what I can do is I can make these 7-day, 7-minute videos, and if you sign up to be a member, then you will have access to them. But don't worry, I don't want to leave anybody out, obviously. I appreciate all my subscribers and everyone who supports this channel. So you won't have access to them right away. But what I'll do is, after a month or so, probably a month or 2 months, I will release the 7-day, 7-minute videos for everybody to see. And so, for whatever reason, if you can't sign up, that's fine. You'll still have access to them at a later date. And so once they get rolling, they should be coming in regularly, you know. But for the members, obviously you'll get to see them kind of in the moment, in real time. For everyone else, you'll see them at a later date. So, sound good? So the rest of this video will just be an example of what a 7-day, 7-minute video will look like. I appreciate you listening to me this long, and thank you, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace. Okay, after this one.
All right. Woo!
Why are you asking me that, man? This was your plan. Why? Do you think we can go? Whoa, okay. That's where we're going?
Yeah, we can do it, man. Come on. You gonna do it?
Oh, we're getting wet for sure. Okay, now this is it. This is it.
Let's go, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on.
Whoa.
Come on, buddy.
Ah! I think we're good. I think we're good. I think we still need to go. We need to go. We need to go.
Come on.
Oh, shit! No, we're good. We're good. Oh, the rocks are saving us.
Well, are you stopping?
Maybe here, just here is okay. Alright, so I'm here in Tabanan, about to hop on a bus and go to East Java. Can you guess where I'm going? Starts with a J and ends in R.
Anu, napa ki ambeke mboten saged pipis.
There seems to be a few Ancots driving on this main road, so I hope I don't have to walk the entire way. Kita Pang?
Ya, kita Pak.
Di sana ya?
Iya.
Ah, oke.
Dianterin.
Hah?
Dianterin.
Eh?
Dianterin.
Diantri?
Iya. Dianterin.
Ah, oke, oke. That way?
Ayo, naik sepeda.
Berapa?
Gak usah. Gak usah. Ayo. Gratis.
It's okay?
Oke.
Oh. Nice, thank you guys. Alright, okay.
Ayo, naik.
Terima kasih.
Ya, ya.
Namanya apa?
Hah?
Siapa namanya?
Aan.
Ahan?
Aan. Ya.
Ahan, okay. Nice guy, Ahan. Take it. Can you guess where I'm at? Yes, I am in Kuala Lumpur. And man, I just had a wonderful day here. Saw so much of the city. Started off this morning eating some delicious Indian breakfast. The roti chan la la la. I forgot what it's called. I'll show you later. We went to Batu Caves. We went to the National Monument. We went to the National Palace. We went to an old train station. Where do we go? And we went all over the place today, it felt like. And so, excellent day here. Excellent day here. I've already been up to the KL Tower. I did that yesterday. I mean, this is KL.
Oh, rampung sih dia koyor-koyor.
Okay, let me get a spoon.
Makan lagi ya?
No, nanti. Just a little bit, sedikit.
Garpu aja. Panas. Panas loh, panas loh.
Maybe very panas, very super hot. Yep, well, it's hot.
Sudah. Enak.
That's delicious. That's delicious. And then Bobby's mom just brought some more food, I think.
Enak.
Enak.
Sudah.
Enak.
Ini Mbak Wika bawa ini.
Okay, I think she's gonna make something with that. Okay.
Like this one, like this. Hold on. There's some. This one. Not this one. When you scrape it, it is like that.
Enak.
Sedap.
My mom always do like this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, with her hand. Always do like this. She loves it. He doesn't let me do this.
Oh, she likes doing this the most?
Yes. She want to do that. Never just let her do it by herself.
Okay, so. Tidak baik?
Tidak baik. Putih.
Okay, yeah, they're too white. So I guess some of them are burned, some of them aren't cooked enough. She's the quality control right here. Okay.
You go with some joke?
Go on jogging.
Go ahead.
Go on jogging.
Come on.
Time to go for a run. Pagi. Selamat pagi. Hello. Hey. Alrighty. So that is what a 7-day, 7-minute video will more or less look like. If you would like to have access to these 7-day, 7-minute videos, please consider becoming a member. And if you can't for whatever reason, don't worry. Maybe in a month or 2 months, I'll release them for everybody to see. But if you would like to see them right away, then yes, please consider becoming a member. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.